There's something quietly powerful about walking into a room that feels entirely different, yet nothing structural has changed. No walls demolished, no floors ripped up, no contractors camping in your living room for months. Thoughtful updates that shift the atmosphere, improve the flow, and make a space feel genuinely renewed. This kind of transformation doesn't demand deep pockets or endless patience. It requires intention, creativity, and an understanding of how small changes can cascade into significant visual and functional impact. Refreshing a home does not always require extensive construction, a high budget, or a long timeline. Many impactful improvements focus on visual balance, functionality, and comfort rather than structural change. Strategic paint and surface updates. Refreshing walls with purpose paint remains one of the most effective tools for transforming interiors quickly. It's remarkable how a simple color shift can make a ceiling feel higher, a room feel larger, or a space feel infinitely more inviting. Thoughtful color selection can influence how a space feels, functions, and flows in ways that go far beyond aesthetics. Key approaches include using lighter tones to expand compact rooms visually. Soft whites, warm grays, and pale neutrals bounce light around, creating an airy openness that darker colors naturally absorb. Accent walls to define zones in open-plan layouts. A single painted surface can establish a dining area, reading nook, or workspace without physical barriers. Matte or satin finishes for a modern, understated effect. These finishes hide imperfections better than glossy options while maintaining a sophisticated, contemporary feel. When aligned with broader interior design principles, paint updates can redefine a room's identity without altering its structure. The transformation happens not through construction, but through perception, how color interacts with light, furniture, and the people moving through the space. Revitalizing existing surfaces beyond walls, updating surfaces adds depth and character in unexpected ways. Instead of replacing what already exists, consider breathing new life into it. Practical surface updates include painting cabinetry instead of replacing it. Kitchen and bathroom cabinets can be completely transformed with high-quality paint, new hardware, and proper preparation. Refinishing wooden furniture or doors. Sanding and staining can reveal beautiful grain patterns and update pieces that feel dated or worn. Applying peel and stick wall panels or textures. Modern adhesive products offer wood, stone, or geometric patterns that add dimension without permanent commitment. These updates provide visual interest while keeping costs and disruption low. They honor what's already there while making it feel fresh and intentional. Lighting improvements that change the atmosphere. Layered lighting for function and mood. Lighting influences both usability and emotional comfort in ways that often go unrecognized until they're improved. The difference between a flat, single-source room and a thoughtfully lit space is the difference between existing somewhere and truly inhabiting it. Upgrading lighting fixtures or layouts can significantly alter the way interiors are experienced throughout the day and evening. Effective lighting layers include ambient lighting for overall brightness. This foundational layer ensures the room is generally well lit and functional, typically provided by ceiling fixtures or recessed lights. Task lighting for focused activities. Reading lamps, under cabinet lights, and desk fixtures support specific activities without over-illuminating the entire space. Accent lighting to highlight decor or architectural details. Picture lights, wall sconces, and directional spotlights draw attention to artwork, textures, or focal points. Well-planned lighting supports interior design goals by balancing form and function. It's not just about seeing clearly, it's about creating atmosphere, directing attention, and allowing spaces to shift character from morning productivity to evening relaxation. Fixture and bulb upgrades. Sometimes the most dramatic improvements come from the simplest changes. You don't need to rewire your entire home to transform how it feels. Simple changes that deliver noticeable results, replacing outdated fixtures with contemporary designs. A new pendant light, chandelier, or flush mount can instantly modernize a dated room. Switching to warm or adjustable LED bulbs. Modern LEDs offer color temperatures that range from energizing daylight to cozy amber, all while reducing energy consumption. Adding dimmers to control mood and energy use. Dimmer switches provide flexibility, allowing spaces to adapt to different times of day and activities. These upgrades modernize interiors without invasive work, proving that sometimes the best improvements happen above eye level. Furniture, layout, and soft furnishing adjustments. Rethinking furniture placement. Before buying anything new, consider what already exists and how it's arranged. Rearranging existing furniture often improves flow and usability in surprising ways, revealing potential that was always there but never activated. Strategic rearrangement includes creating clear walkways. Ensuring comfortable passage through rooms prevents spaces from feeling cramped or awkward, even when furniture remains the same. Improving natural light access. Moving tall pieces away from windows and repositioning seating to capture sunlight can dramatically brighten interiors. Defining functional zones in shared spaces. Angling furniture or using area rugs helps establish distinct areas for conversation, work, or relaxation within open layouts. This approach aligns with interior design strategies that prioritize spatial efficiency. When exploring professional guidance, resources like Ali and Shay can inspire optimizing layouts and creating balanced, functional interiors. The key is understanding that how you arrange what you have matters as much as what you have. Read more on HogDigest.com.